Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. A culinary sanctuary, modern wooden kitchen design in the mountains, nestled amidst towering pines and breathtaking vistas, your modern wooden house deserves a kitchen that reflects both the beauty of the natural world and the functionality of contemporary living. Here's what defines a modern wooden mountain kitchen design: embracing the view. Expansive windows. Large windows are a key feature, similar to the living room. They blur the lines between the interior and the exterior, allowing natural light to flood the space and offering stunning views while you cook or dine. Connection to nature. The focus on natural light and expansive views fosters a constant connection with the surrounding environment. Imagine chopping vegetables while gazing out at a snow-capped peak or enjoying a meal with the backdrop of a vibrant sunset. Warm wood and natural materials would take center stage, would reign supreme in this design. Exposed beams on the ceiling, warm wood cabinetry, and butcher block countertops create a sense of warmth and connect the kitchen to the natural world outside. Textural harmony. Complement the wood with other natural materials like stone for the backsplash or flooring. Consider woven baskets for storage or a jute rug to add a touch of texture and visual interest. Modern and functional layout. Open floor plan. Optional. A modern mountain kitchen often features an open floor plan, creating a sense of spaciousness and allowing for interaction between the cook and guests. This is especially ideal if the kitchen flows into the living room or dining area. The working triangle. Even with an open concept, prioritize the working triangle, refrigerator, sink, and stove, for efficient workflow. Modern appliances and sleek finishes. Stainless steel accents. Stainless steel appliances add a touch of modern elegance and complement the warm wood tones. Opt for sleek finishes and high-quality appliances that blend seamlessly with the overall design. Storage solutions. Modern kitchens prioritize functionality. Include built-in cabinets, pull-out drawers, and hidden storage solutions to maximize space and keep the kitchen clutter-free. A touch of mountain charm. Optional. Rustic lighting. Pendant lights made from natural materials like woven wood or wrought iron can add a touch of rustic charm. Mountain-inspired decor. Optional. Incorporate subtle mountain-inspired accents like metal canisters with pine cone motifs. A decorative cutting board made from local wood, or a framed photograph of a local mountain scene. Warm touches. Area rug. A large area rug in a neutral tone or with a subtle geometric pattern can add a layer of warmth and comfort underfoot. Accent lighting. While natural light is a priority, well-placed accent lighting adds ambience in the evenings. Consider recessed lighting or under-cabinet lighting for task illumination. A modern wooden mountain kitchen is more than just a place to cook, it's a culinary sanctuary. It's a space where you can connect with nature, entertain loved ones, and create lasting memories. By incorporating the elements described above, you can create a kitchen that is both stylish and functional. A true reflection of your modern mountain lifestyle. Embrace nature's bounty. Why design a modern wooden kitchen in the mountains? Imagine a kitchen bathed in natural light, surrounded by the warmth of wood, and offering breathtaking mountain views as you cook. A modern wooden kitchen in your mountain home isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a culinary sanctuary that fosters connection with nature and inspires delicious creations. Here's why you should consider this design: unparalleled connection with nature. Expansive windows blur the lines between indoors and outdoors. You'll be surrounded by the beauty of the mountains while you cook, fostering a sense of peace and tranquility. Warmth and functionality. Wood. The defining element, brings warmth and a connection to the natural world. Combined with modern functionality, it creates a space that's both inviting and efficient for preparing meals. Spacious and inviting. Optional. An open floor plan. Optional. Creates a sense of spaciousness and allows for interaction between the cook and guests. This is ideal for entertaining or spending quality time with family while preparing meals. Modern conveniences. Stainless steel appliances and sleek finishes add a touch of modern elegance and provide the functionality you crave in a kitchen. Reflection of your style. This design allows for subtle mountain-inspired touches through lighting or decor. Personalize the space to reflect your unique style and create a kitchen that feels authentically yours. Crafting your culinary sanctuary. Getting started with a modern wooden kitchen design, ready to transform your mountain home kitchen into a space that inspires culinary creativity and connection with nature. Here's a roadmap to get you started. 1. Define your needs. Consider how you'll use the kitchen. Do you prioritize entertaining, large family meals, or a space for quiet reflection while preparing meals? This will guide your layout and appliance choices. 2. Embrace natural light. Maximize natural light by incorporating expansive windows or skylights, optional, if your roof allows for it. 3. Wood is your ally. Use wood throughout the space, exposing beams on the ceiling, opting for warm wood cabinetry. And considering butcher block countertops for a rustic touch. 4. Open floor plan, optional, consider an open floor plan to create a sense of spaciousness and allow natural light to flow freely. If opting for an open concept, ensure the working triangle, refrigerator, sink, stove, is well defined for efficient workflow. 5. Modern appliances and storage. Choose high quality, sleek finished appliances in stainless steel to complement the warm wood tones. Prioritize functionality with built-in cabinets, pull-out drawers, and hidden storage solutions. 6. A touch of mountain charm, optional, incorporate rustic lighting fixtures made from natural materials or mountain-inspired decor like metal canisters with pine cone motifs. 7. Area rugs for warmth. A large area rug in a neutral tone or with a subtle geometric pattern can add a layer of warmth and comfort underfoot. 8. Lighting for all needs. While natural light takes center stage, consider adding accent lighting for evenings. Recessed lighting or under-cabinet lighting can provide task illumination, while pendant lights can add a touch of rustic charm. 9. Prioritize the view. When arranging furniture and appliances, prioritize maximizing the mountain views. This could involve placing the sink or a breakfast nook strategically to capture the breathtaking scenery. 10. Durable and easy-to-clean materials. Mountain kitchens can be exposed to harsh elements. Choose durable and easy-to-clean materials for countertops, flooring, and backsplashes to ensure your kitchen remains beautiful for years to come. A modern wooden kitchen in your mountain home is more than just a place to cook, it's a celebration of nature's bounty. By embracing the natural world and incorporating these design elements, you can create a space that is both stylish and functional, a culinary sanctuary for creating delicious meals and lasting memories. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.